have you, none of it is true. Or you may be jealous, or you're playing the fool. Just a motherfucker from the neighborhood. Don't play with magic, gonna get yourself burned. Be smart kid, go back to your mom. She should remind you how to be a good son. Play your game. I can tell it's working cause it's driving me insane. You can say this, you can say that. Just remember one thing I will never forget. Last warning kid, keep your mouth shut. If you say another word I swear I'll fuck you up. Shut your mouth you little wreck. Shut your mouth you little wreck. Watch your mouth. You better watch your mouth. You better